Hi, my lovely and wonderful people. Welcome back to my platform. To my old and new subscribers, you are most welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make macaroni salad. So let's get started. For this recipe, I will need all these ingredients. I'm going off camera to prep them all and come back for introduction. Firstly, I will be adding some water into the pot, cover and let it boil. I'm going ahead to add in the frozen paste into my simmer pot, cover and allow it to steam. Once the water starts to boil, I'll be adding in salt, then add in my macaroni, give it a complete stir so that the salt dissolves in the water and the macaroni does not stick to the bottom of the pot. Cover and let it cook for 7 minutes. This is exactly 7 minutes. I'll be draining it out and rinse it with cold water so that it will cool down, or add it into icing water. I will be checking on the paste. Once done steaming, I will take it out and set aside. Then add in my chopped carrot into the pot and allow to steam. Introduction time. I'm done with all the preppings. In here I have cucumbers, green beans, sweet corn and diced onions. Next, I have my pears, mini sour cucumber and chopped carrot. Chopped fresh tomatoes, minced bell pepper, yellow, orange and green. I have some eggs. For the dressing, I have mustard, apple vinegar and mayonnaise. Next, garlic powder, black pepper, dill spikes, salt to taste, and honey for sweetener. In a separate bowl, I'll be adding in all the salad dressing ingredients. Once I'm done adding them, I will go ahead and turn until it is well combined, then set aside. In another separate bowl, I'm going to be adding in my macaroni, all the vegetables together. Once I'm done adding all the vegetables, I will now go ahead and add in my salad cream, mix it well until it is well combined. Make sure you add the egg last so it doesn't pieces inside the salad. Place that in the fridge for like 10 to 15 minutes before serving. But if you do not like eating cold food, you can serve it that way. It is super delicious and so creamy. We have come to the end of today's video. Please don't forget to follow this page, like, share and comment. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon on my next video. Bye and remain blessed.